Alright, this looks perfect. Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about laser levels and how you can use them in your home. A laser level is a great tool to have around the house. Not only is it good for hanging wall decorations such as pictures or paintings, but it's also an excellent device for doing ceramic floor tiling, for doing drop ceilings, and a multitude of other projects around the home. Today I'm going to show you how to use the laser level in some of these applications, and we'll also talk about the various features and benefits of a laser level. Alright, the basic components in a laser leveling kit include the laser itself, that has the ability to rotate the beam either vertically or horizontally. This particular model has an assembly unit that allows us to affix it to a rough surface, such as a framing wall. We also have an adapter that allows us to mount the laser directly to a surface mount, smooth surface mount area. And then we also have a precision leveling unit that can mount on any tripod, such as a camera tripod, to allow you to mount the laser level on and position it in the center of a room. And finally, we have safety goggles. Now, these safety goggles don't protect your eyes from the laser beam itself. You never want to stare into the lens of a laser beam. It will hurt your eye. These lenses are meant for allowing you to better see the laser beam itself in a lit room. They're not meant to protect your eyes from the laser beam, so never look directly into the eyes, the direct end of a laser beam. The first way you can use a laser level is to attach the smooth surface suction cup to the wall itself. You basically attach it to the wall by putting the suction side flat up against the surface, hitting the on switch, suction will form, you leave it in the on position, and then you take the laser itself and you mount it to the magnetic strip. Then you look at the horizontal and vertical level bubbles and center it. And once you have them centered appropriately, you can turn on your laser beam and you get a nice laser beam going across the length of the wall. You can now hang your pictures along the line of this laser beam. Another way to use a laser level is in the application in rough framing. We have an adapter here that allows us to attach the laser to a rough wall. In this case, I'm going to show it using a bench. Basically, you can, I don't know if you can see this, but you can basically have 4 pins that probe into the rough surface of the wood, and then the laser will mount to that. So in this case, we put up against the rough surface area, push it in, and now we can attach our laser level to the adapter. Again, we adjust the level to make sure that the bubble is centered in between the lines on the level. And then once it's centered, we can turn our laser beam on, and now we have a straight line to, for example, attach electrical box outlets or plumbing fixtures, etc. Another way to use the laser level is to mount it to a precision leveling base unit that then is attached to a tripod, which can then sit in the center of a room. In this case now, we can have the laser beam shine in 2 walls. And this is excellent if you're putting up chair rail or molding, or only having wallpaper go halfway up the wall or down the wall. Also, if you were going to hang pictures on 2 walls and one at the same height, you can have one laser beam projected on both walls and hang your pictures along that line. To mount a laser level to a tripod, you need a precision leveling base unit, which came with this model. The bottom half of it has a 1/4 inch or a 5/8 inch adapter screw that allows us to screw it into the base of the tripod, and it simply just spins on. And you take the top of the precision leveling base unit, and that simply just attaches to the base unit of the precision leveling unit. And then the laser level itself has a couple guide pins for mounting the laser to it. And once it's in place, you can position along your wall, turn on your laser beam, and there you go. You got your laser beam reflected off multiple walls in this through a laser beam set in the center of the room. So those are the few basic ways that you can use a laser level. They're very inexpensive. You can find them in any home improvement store or even a department store. So I highly recommend if you have another home leveling project going on in your home, even if it's as simple as hanging a wall picture or painting, take a look at one of these laser levels before you install them or hang them on the walls. If you have any other home improvement questions, visit us at HomeEditionPlus.com today. Thanks.